Hi kitties! So today I'm gonna be showing you a video real quick. It's a stamping video and I'm just showing you how I do my stamping. And in this video I am using well, you won't see me use it, but this is what I use so far for the actual nails. I use a combination of Glam & Glitz's like neon acrylic, also Mia Secret's neon acrylic colors. I'm gonna leave the links in the description box below, only because I don't feel like going to my nail table to try to look through it to see which ones I used. But I will do that later so I can fill the description box. And the opaque like white color you see, that is just simply a combination of clear acrylic and white acrylic. And then for me, I used Mia Secret. So that's how you'll get that look. I laid down the acrylic already. I capped it with clear, of course, because I want to keep my tie-dye kind of, you know, splash of paint look that I'm doing. So I'm doing a graffiti nail, and I will be using my Young Nail stamping plate in this video. So yeah, I'm also testing out my new PANA drill bit. I've mentioned it before. I think I even showed you guys this in one of my other unboxings. I absolutely love this bit. It has become my new favorite drill bit. You should invest. It's actually very well priced on Amazon. I think I paid $9 for that bit. I think I could be wrong. I probably am wrong, but I will leave the link in the description box below. The bit is so smooth. Like it really is smooth. If you're comfortable with using any file, then yeah, you will love this bit. So yeah, just keep watching, guys. I'll be back. So guys, I'm just showing off my new little case for some of my stamping plates. I will leave the link for this in the description box below. I got that from Amazon. Absolutely love it. And these are the Young Nail stamping plates. Love, love, love them. They absolutely are the best. And I got them on sale. I think it was during the holiday time. So as you can see, I already stamped the brick wall. I don't know what happened. The video was there and then it deleted. I honestly don't know what I did. Really and truly have no clue. But I was able to salvage what was left of the video. Yeah, it was a hot mess. So that this video is a little choppy, the editing or whatever, because I don't know, I think I deleted some stuff, whatever. But you guys get to see me do my stamp. So basically I just put my stamping polish down and then I scrape off the excess, and then I use my the actual clear jelly part. What's it really called? I don't know the real name. It's late, guys. I'm sorry, I'm tired. And I'm just using that to stamp the nail. And yeah, this is my graffiti nails. I actually really love this design. It came out really, really cute, really, really nice. I would love to do this on someone's nails or my own. I might do it on myself. So yeah, that's pretty much what I am doing. And the stamping polish I'm using is Born Pretty. I learned the hard way that you have to actually buy a stamping polish. But if anybody knows a hack for that, like any other nail polishes that aren't stamping polishes per se, but you can still use it to stamp, please drop a comment and let me know, because I'm looking on like Amazon because I want my stamping polishes faster. So, you know, I go to Amazon for that. Otherwise, I'll go to AliExpress. But they're like $40 for these little ones. And I'm just like, is there another kind of stamping polish that I can get? I don't know. You guys let me know. If you are a stamper, let me know where you get your stamping polishes from. Please drop that comment. I would love to know and invest in more stamping polishes, because stamping is bomb. Like, as you can see, you can create beautiful artwork, especially if you're not used to, or if you don't feel you're good enough at hand painting. I do hand paint some things, but I am not the best at it at all, by far. I know some nail techs that are just bomb when they hand paint on nails. It's like legit like a Picasso or a Rembrandt. Like, it's awesome. That's not me though. Yeah, I know my strengths, I know my weaknesses. That's not mine. I'm okay, but I'm not that great. So I will whip out a stamping plate and stamp you a lovely design. So yeah, this one was like a fail. I think I had to do this one twice, but yeah, sometimes you get a good hit and sometimes you don't, but you roll with it. So yeah, guys, keep watching. And of course, your girl did some bling. Had to. Wouldn't beat myself if I didn't. Just a little something, nothing crazy. I am using my Mia Secret brush on resin, only because this is Tiffany, and I don't want to use my Zule on Tiffany, because Tiffany don't go nowhere. So, but the Mia Secret, before I found out about Zule, I did use the Mia Secret brush on gel glue resin, and it actually is really good. It is not as good as Zule, but it is really good. And I got that on Amazon. And then I think Nail Supply Glamour sells the glue and the activator spray, which basically sets the glue faster. They sell it as a combo set, so I started buying it from Nail Supply Glamour. So if you guys are looking for it, that's where you should try. Definitely check out Nail Supply Glamour. I actually like, even their Nail Supply Glamour products themselves are really good. Anyway, just doing light bling, nothing crazy, just a little bit here and there. And yeah, guys, stay tuned for the reveal shots. So here it goes, kitties. This is the end result. I hope you guys like this. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. And thank you guys so much. We are literally like 2 away from 300. Once I hit that 300 mark subs, I will be doing a very random giveaway. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Love you, kitties, so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share my video with everyone and anyone. Later, kitties.